Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update robots.txt and sitemap.xml for faster indexing. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update robots.txt and sitemap.xml for faster indexing, begin by accessing your website's root directory. Log into your website's hosting account or use an FTP client. Locate the robots.txt file in the root directory. If it doesn't exist, create a new plain text file and name it robots.txt. Open the robots.txt file in a text editor. Define which pages you want search engine bots to crawl or avoid. For example, use useragent * to target all bots. Then, specify disallowed pages using disallow/example page. To allow access, use allow/allowed page. Save the robots.txt file and upload it back to the root directory if you made changes locally. Next, locate your sitemap.xml file, usually found in the same root directory. If you do not have a sitemap, generate one using online tools or plugins relevant to your CMS. Open the sitemap.xml file in a text editor. Ensure it contains updated URLs for all relevant pages of your site. Regularly update the sitemap to include new content. Save your changes to the sitemap.xml file. If necessary, upload the updated sitemap.xml to your root directory. Next, confirm you have the correct sitemap URL structure, typically yourdomain.com/sitemap.xml. To inform search engines about your updated files, visit Google Search Console. Log in using your Google account linked to your website. Navigate to the Sitemaps section in the Search Console. Enter the URL of your sitemap.xml and click Submit. Check the status to ensure it was processed correctly. Next, validate your robots.txt file using the robots.txt tester tool in Google Search Console. Make sure it returns no errors. Consider using the URL inspection tool in Search Console to check if specific pages are indexed. Finally, monitor your website's indexing progress after a few days. Adjust your robots.txt and sitemap.xml as necessary based on indexing results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.